Speaking of Apple, you know the debacle that we talked about with the wireless charger, the originally called AirPower. We now have another confirmation here or report that they're going to do a far less ambitious version of it. Now, the rumor was out there. We had, I think it was Ming Chi who came out and said, yeah, the AirPower didn't work out. They're just going to do a much more basic unit. Maybe it will charge one device. Definitely not drop everywhere because they had all the issues with the heat and all the rest of it. We saw the AirPower torn down in a recent clip that we put out. And so this less ambitious version comes after the announcement, delay, and eventual cancellation of AirPower. Yeah, we know that. Maybe it could be ready to go along with the iPhone 12. Because it's kind of crazy how many generations of wireless charge capable iPhones we've had, and we still don't have any wireless charger. So can't they just grab something off the shelf now?
Yeah.
You got the iPhone 12 right around the corner. You know how many extra units you would move making available as an accessory Apple's first official wireless charger?
Is it included in the box?
How dare you? That is so rude. I see the smirk on your face. They're going to include nothing in the box. There's another report, which I didn't include in today's show, that said no accessories. And we talked about the power adapter that wouldn't be in there, but now it's also the headset, because they would include a Lightning headset for a period of time. So nothing, no accessories in the box is the latest rumor. So anyways, when it comes to the affordable, or I don't know if I should say affordable, because Apple's probably going to still price the thing as you might expect. The simplified wireless charger, we may see it alongside those upcoming iPhones, and we'll definitely, according to these reports, see it eventually, and that makes a lot of sense to me.